don't know, sir.
But you send WhatsApp, you send a message to King, isn't it?
Yes.
Is it open?
Tomorrow, I don't know. I'm not a management in the market. I don't know.
But you send one message to King, isn't it? King is so small.
That thing, I don't know, sir.
Okay.
I think next week, they open the market. Ang daming gulay ni GM. Ayan na yung nabili. Sa wakas, tapos natin. O, diba? Just one. Ayan na mga lalabs ko. Bigas. Para maubusan talaga siya ng oats. Para may stock kami makain. Bipon, bumili siya ng tatlo. Oh, wow. Sige na mga lalabs ko. Babu-babu na. Busy si Ating Gem. Si Lalabs yung busy. Thank you for watching, Lalabs.